Hi, I'm Kristen Baraboo, owner of Been Beyond. Today's Inferno exercise is wide-legged half burpees and wide-legged burpees. This amazing exercise is probably my most favorite Inferno exercise because it's a full body experience. You get the squat, you get the plank, and of course you get some air high fives at the top. This exercise works your legs, glutes, core, and when you do the full variation, adding the push-up, it works your arms, shoulders, and back and chest muscles as well. Form is key in the wide-legged half burpee and burpee, just like all of our exercises. It's important to keep a neutral spine throughout, really hit your squat, find your plank, and at the top, reach your arms nice and high. There's no jumping in our variation of the burpee, which makes it low impact, which means it's friendly for the joints of people of all ages. The only thing high impact in this exercise is the energy effect it has on the room. You'll feel your endorphins soaring and see everyone around you ready to give their very best. And yes, I do give a little shout out even when I'm doing burpees by myself. Let's take a closer look. Woo! Wide-legged half burpees to start. Come to the top of your mat and towel, and like the name says, get a wide stance. This is key. Heels wider than your hips, toes turned slightly out. Arms up in the air, who's ready to go? Bend your knees, sit down into your frog squat. Place your hands on the floor, step back, this is option number one, into a solid high plank position. Step back forward, ensure here that your stance is wide enough so that your hips are down, chest is up, and you can power up out of your squat by pressing through the heels. A couple common mistakes that we see in burpees is starting with a stance that's too narrow. When you start with a narrow stance, as you squat down, you end up having to hunch over, collapsing in the spine, rather than keeping a strong neutral spine throughout. When you widen your stance and turn your toes out, it allows you to get the hips all the way down. Make sure they do go down low enough. Avoid letting the hips stay up as you touch the floor, hunching over and putting too much pressure on the lower back. When you let the hips come all the way down, you can keep your core engaged, keep your neutral alignment as you step or maybe hop back into your burpee, and step or hop forward, back, and power up again, leading with the chest. Let's see it with the hop back variation, all the way down, and then lightly, in control, hop back and hop forward using your core strength. You can also add a push-up to this variation, making it a full wide-legged burpee. You can do any push-up variation you like, and then hop, jump forward, and you're ready for a great day. Keep these tips in mind next time you make it to your mat, and I hope you'll get more out of your practice with us. See you soon.